Hello everyone, this is Louie Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB. A lot of sales leaders and sales organizations were asking me in my webinars last May and June, what do we do if we have low or zero sales? That's really tough. We entered 2020, we welcomed the year with high hopes, high targets, and high goals, high ambitions, perhaps riding on a strong performance from 2018 to 2019. We've lost 3 to 4 months because of this pandemic. My fearless forecast, we will never meet or achieve the numbers that we set for 2020, numbers that we set at the start of the year, which were based on a different set of assumptions and expectations, not considering COVID and this pandemic. Nobody expected this, nobody anticipated this, nobody predicted this, nobody was prepared for this. And with that mindset, it's important that sales leaders and sales professionals do 4 important things. The first one is, even if we will no longer meet and achieve our 2020 targets, it should not be a cause for discouragement. In fact, if you're in sales, you should double down or triple your efforts to generate revenue. I hope you did that in May, June, and you're currently doing that so you can take advantage of the return to economic activity. And the purpose of that is to be able to minimize the variance to budget. I'm sure that the variance to budget has really been big, March, April, and May. So we're taking advantage of these months to really minimize that variance so that when we go to better times up ahead, maybe Q4, we have only a little bit of catching up to do. Tip number 2 is, there's really nothing that you can do to generate high revenue because your product is a non-essential, just please keep your customers close. Keep them closer during this time. Boost customer presence, strengthen customer relationships, and please make sure that you have regular visits and regular interactions with your key accounts, key distributors, and key partners. We cannot afford to lose them during this time when perhaps your competition is on the lookout for new clients as well, or might be wooing these same partners to transfer. Explore joint activities, explore joint business exercises. Your sales call should focus on common ground between you, your client, your account, your distributor, and partners. Tip number 3, explore ways of servicing the customer. Maybe the demand did not diminish. Maybe the demand is still there, but the customer just does not know how to access your product or service. So you need to explore online or digital ways of performing your activities in the sales process. Number 4, if there's really downtime or free time, because the sales force cannot really freely go out and no client or only a few clients would entertain sales calls, and a lot would still, with safety and health as a priority, say no to in-person or face-to-face meetings. Invest in strengthening your sales team, upskilling them, and helping them transition to remote or virtual selling. And that last one is capability building is really very critical during this time, because the next 6 months and even up to 2021, this will be the main mode of communication through video conferencing, through asynchronous communication or presentation tools. I take this video, I record this video, I send it to clients, and clients can really watch it on their own time. This will really be the major mode of communication in the next 6 months or even extending to 2021. Is your sales team ready to leverage on asynchronous communication or presentation tools? Is your sales team ready to engage clients in a virtual meeting setup? They may have had challenges in in-person meetings, facilitating meetings, taking control of the discussion. How much more will it be a struggle to them engaging someone who is not there physically present with them? Take note of the 4 things that sales leaders, sales professionals need to do. Double down on efforts to reduce variance to budget. Number 2, boost customer relationships, strengthen branding, strengthen customer presence. Number 3 is to explore other channels or ways by which the customer can access your product or your service or access interactions such as this. And number 4 is transition to remote or virtual selling. Do those 4 and you'll be able to survive and even thrive during this time of the pandemic. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.